To try to get it step by step, right from the start, to finding them, what they look like in the fields, to bringing them home, washing them, cleaning them, and show you what they look like. So stick with me here, and I should have this video put together and up tonight on YouTube. And if you like what you see, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Jet Art 101. Right up here, the top left. That's my YouTube channel. Or down here, you'll see a red bell or a subscribe button underneath the video. Click on that. Thank you. Well, I'm back out picking, hunting, foraging, whatever you want to call it, some wild leeks. And they're still not up as much as I thought they would be. I'm going to turn this camera around and go around and show you a couple spots. Okay, as you can see here, they're getting better, but you know, not as big as what I was thought they would be. Here, you can see some all the way back here. Can you see all the green patches? Oh yeah. I got lots here. Everywhere I go, I'm stepping on them or around them, but they still got a long way to come. Look at this, what I get to pick. Look at this. Goes back, oh, I can see way back. 100 feet. Oh, way up there. 200 feet. This whole area, entire area is just covered. Awesome. So, here's what I got. I'm just taking a few, as you can see. They're still way too small. Some of them are bigger than others, but still. And take a look around. Can you see? All that green you see there. Everywhere. Like, it's just, they go forever. It goes forever. Look up there. Not going to be no shortage of leeks this year, that's for sure. I'm going to go check out one more little area over here before I take off. I want to get enough today there to have a good snack. Okay, I'm back at home now, and just want to show you what these look like up close. You see, yes, there's a bunch of roots. Everyone has roots on there, and to properly pick them without getting the roots, this would have taken me so much longer. And where I'm picking it, these leeks, there's tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands. It goes on forever. You've seen where I was pointing my camera. Well, anyways, I'm going to try when I go out next not to pick as much roots and try to dig it out. Okay, so here I am with just 3 little leeks. You can see they're not too big. There's my hand up here. So that's how easy they are to clean. You just grab one, pull down the outside skin on them, snap the end off by where the roots are, and they're good to go. Enjoy. So I'm going to go inside now, and I'm going to clean up the bag of them that I have. It'll probably take me 10-15 minutes. Snap the ends. During that, I'll put the camera on and show you as I'm cleaning them, the process. Okay, so here's a quick wash, I guess, how I'm going to do this. Try to clean them up. I'm just going to fire them all down here in the sink. Like that. I'm going to rinse them. Look at the dirt already. Oh, this is going to be messy. Okay, I should let the water run on them, get most of the mud and dirt down the drain there first before I fill it up. With some water. I'm going to time it and I'll tell you how long it takes me from start to finish. Right now, it is, okay. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to pause this and I'll show you in a minute. Okay, they're all somewhat cleaned up. Now I'm going to stick them here in the strainer, a bunch at a time. It's going to be kind of hard for me to hold this and record it as I'm doing it, but here, for example, look how easy this is. Here, you take that.
Now I would cut it there. Here, let me show you. There. And right about there. And there, those two right there. Good snack. There it is. Now, I got lots of leaves and I'll use some of those leaves, but not many. I go for the bulbs. There they are. Good little snack. Okay. That's what I'm going to do, all this. I'm going to keep putting them in from the sink here. I'm going to put them in here so they're a little bit cleaner. I'm going to pull back the skin like this. There. And give it a little cut right there. Here, even with my fingernail. Watch this. Bunk. Look at that. And then I'll go right here. Even fingernail. Whoop. What do you think? Okay, here they are. All cleaned up. Nice. All my leeks, I don't know. I'm going to guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to guess there's like probably 60 of them here. From last time I showed you and I was cleaning them till now. To get them to this stage, they're still... No, they're pretty much there. That's it. I'm not going to clean them anymore. That's going to be it. Took me a knife under the water running and the strainer. 15 minutes tops to get them from what you've seen first to this. Now, my friend Donnie there, he came by there yesterday and gave me this kit, and I'm going to be adding it to those wild leeks to this soup kit. Kind of neat. You get all the, you've seen this before. You got all the different spices in there in the jar, or I mean the ingredients. And on top you got the spices and you got the little recipe here. So, good snack. Probably about, I put about a quarter of these things in the soup, and I'll let you know how that tastes. Okay, here's the soup already cooked, ready to be consumed. You see the wild leeks in there. Oh, steamed it up right away. How's that for a good looking snack? Ooh, it's going to be good. Look at all the leeks I got here. Not going to eat all of them right now at this sitting, I don't think. But as I'm eating this, I might add some more, or I might just eat them raw. The last video fogged it up, and this one almost fogged it again. Alright, so that's your instruction on how to find wild leeks, to identify them, to pick them, clean them, cut them, and the soup that it was added to. You like my video? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jet Art 101. Peace out.